गीदड़ सिर्फ सरहद के उस पार ही नहीं है. This de-escalate toolkit being employed by conniving two-faced hypocrites is vile beyond measure. The same folks howling stop the war and clamoring for de-escalation when India is attacking the terrorist nation Pakistan were justifying and cheering when terrorist nation Iran was attacking Israel. The same folks who were a week ago prodding Modi to destroy Pakistan, mocking him, are now asking him to stop the war on Pakistan. How on earth can they even think of de-escalation? Are they in command? What are their parameters for it? Have we destroyed all terror hubs in Pakistan? Have we crippled its terror machinery? Have we achieved our objectives? How do these people live with so much hate and poison against India? Honestly, you can only fight the Pakistans you can see. And that is why I say Pakistan Navika is not just a nation, it is a state of mind, and it is present as much in India as it is in Pakistan. Navika, a war armed with moral rectitude, backed with the yearning to deliver justice, is a war that is humanity's obligation. At times, peace and justice are not possible without war. In fact, peace is born in the crucible of Dharma Yudh. What, after all, is Bhagavad Gita all about? As Lord Krishna said, avoiding a just war out of fear or misplaced compassion allows evil to prepare. Navika, 30 years ago, the two-time Nobel laureate and my hero Fred Sanger came to inaugurate our biochemistry department building named after him. In the student interaction that followed, I asked him about him being a conscientious objector during World War II. You know what Sanger said? He said, not a single day passes by when he doesn't regret not fighting the just war against Hitler. Because when he met the famous chemist and writer Primo Levi, who was interned at Auschwitz, he couldn't meet his eye. Navika, tell me, what did the Auschwitz survivors say to those howling, stop the war? What did the Korean comfort woman mumble to those crying ceasefire? What did the Pahalgam widow tell those shrieking de-escalate? Wish Hitler had gassed your son. Wish Tojo had forced you into prostitution. Wish Munir had killed your husband. Their imagined retorts, born of unimaginable pain, underscore Navika brutal truth. To not end evil is to allow perpetrators to continue their reign of terror.
Absolutely.
To not end evil is to let its roots burrow deeper, Navika, just 30 seconds, into the soul of humanity. To not end evil is to support it. So you, who cries de-escalate, are you not ashamed to stand passive before the furnaces of Auschwitz? Are you unmoved by the smudge sindoor of the Pahalgam widow? You asked for swords to be lifted, and when they were, you demand they not fall on the chains that bind us to despair. You are not just complicit, you are coward.